Hey, this is going to be our Map Fluency troubleshooting video. We went through some problems with it earlier today. Thankfully, now we know to do it on the Chromebooks. First thing you're going to do once your student logs into the Chromebook is you're going to click on Google Chrome, which is going to be the web browser we're going to use. Next thing, Miss Broadway put the link to the student login for Map Fluency on her Google Classroom. I would recommend you doing that because if you don't, what you're going to have to do to get to it is you're going to have to go into Google, type in Map Fluency student login. Then your student would have to go down to logins for NWEA. And then there's the NWEA website under login. And then you'll click on Reading Fluency student login, which will take you to the page that if you put it in your Google Classroom would open up to here. The next thing that you're going to want to do if you haven't done so is you really want to make a common password for your kiddos. Most people have been doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and that has worked out really well. Miss Broadway and some of the other teachers wrote out the kids' username and password on a piece of paper. That helped out a lot so they could log in on their own. But what they're going to do is they're going to be logging in. And of course, I'm having trouble typing this in because I'm trying to talk. And then again, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the password. Now, then your student is going to let me in. Now, this is what's going to happen when you go into it. This is where we've got some troubleshooting that we need to do. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your handy dandy headphones, and you see there are 2 prongs to your headphones. There is a gray one and a red one. You are going to plug the gray one into the headphone jack on the side right there. You'll know it's plugged in because that will pop up. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Check Equipment, which is right here underneath that green worm. When you do that, you're going to come up here where it says Check Speakers, Record Test Audio, and Play Test Audio. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click Check Speakers. And you can't hear this, but the headphones, I can hear a thing saying if you can hear this, then it's working. Once that is done, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Record Test Audio. When you click on that, this is very important. You will get this pop-up window that says, use your microphone. You have to click Allow here because that allows this website to use your microphone. Then you click the green thing and say, hello, 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 and it will pick it up and that will say microphone is okay. Once you get that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go up and click Return to Start Page. From there, you will click onto the worm, and that will begin your student's test. So when your student is testing, if it freezes up or if something is wrong with it as it goes along, you will take their mouse, go up into the middle center, and you can see an X appears. You will X out, and what you will have to do is hitting refresh will not fix the problem. What you will have to do is you will have to X out and relog them back in. That shouldn't happen very much, but if you just refresh it and try to go back in, the same problem will occur again. If you have any questions other than that, please let me know. I appreciate all your help. Thank you.